You use your phone every day, but there are tools hiding inside it that most people never find. Modern Android phones are packed with sensors, and with the right apps, those sensors can measure things around you. These three are worth knowing about. Let's start with noise. There is a free app called Soundmeter. It uses your microphone to show how loud your surroundings are, in real time. Tap this button, the look of the meter changes. If the colors are hard to see in bright light, or you just prefer a different style, you have got options. And if you tap this button, the graph turns into a simple list. It tells you what different decibel levels actually feel like in real life. So when it says 40 decibels is about as quiet as a library, you immediately get a sense of how loud or quiet that number really is. Great for checking if your new appliance is actually quiet or if your home office is too noisy to focus. Not lab accurate, but for everyday use, totally works. Then there's light. Your phone already has a light sensor. It's what dims your screen automatically. An app called Light Meter reads it and tells you how bright your room actually is. Tap this info button. It shows you the ideal light levels for different spots like your study table, a classroom, or a library. So you instantly know if the light around you is too dim or just right. Handy for checking if your workspace has enough light or whether your plants are getting what they need. And surprisingly, your phone can also estimate room temperature. There's an app called Room Temperature Thermometer, and it uses your phone's internal sensors to estimate the temperature in your room. That's different from those weather apps that just show you your city's temperature based on your location. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.